Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC.
Our training content, the management of this center, and even the evaluation of students and the links with industry have benefited enormously from this cooperation with CDAC.
Currently, CDAC is running 2 programs in advanced computing at the center.
One is a DAC, which is a Diploma in Advanced Computing. Another is a WIMS, which is a Diploma in Wireless Mobile Computing. These courses are to groom the student, to enable them to work on current technology scenario and enable them to keep pace with the changing phase of technologies and current IT industry requirement. The design of these courses are unique in industry, and we used to keep updating the course content in order to meet the requirement with the industry.
You actually learn so many things, so many programming languages, C++, OS, Java, anything you want to know is actually being taught here. So it actually expands your scope of knowledge and gives you, an upper hand over all those into the IT world.
The university, for instance, normally is a lot of academic work. This one is very practical. So by the time you are done with the course, you can literally handle a job at hand.
And one of the excitements is to see a student develop an application and to see it working the way you want it to work, no matter how little it looks for the beginning.
In the coming batches, we are trying to implement further new courses also, and those will be in the field of embedded system design, VLSI design, in health informatics. So first we start with the 2 courses. So in future we'll be coming with more courses. So these can really help to grow in industry.
In the area of research, the government of India and CDAC generously donated the region's first high-performance computing cluster, the Param Padma, now upgraded to the Param Ukuntapu. This high-performance computing cluster has been used for research by various bodies in Ghana, including the meteorological services and people within the nuclear and allied science.
What happens is that you may be in the office, you have a very big work to do, and you may not be doing it on your computer because it's too small for that. So you send the job to the cluster to do it for you. And basically what it means is that whenever there is a computing process to do, all these machines with a number of processors in them will work as one single machine to do it.
So, both in training and research, CDAC has made an immense contribution to the Kofi Annan Center of Excellence in ICT.
So we look forward to increasing our cooperation with CDAC, and we are extremely proud to be CDAC's first accredited training center outside of India.